I've been talking to Americans around the country about automation, and they're smart. They see what's happening around them.
We're automating away the most common jobs in the economy right now. We automated away 4 million manufacturing jobs in Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin. Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin. Artificial intelligence is real because that's where the money is, where we can save tens, even hundreds of billions of dollars by trying to automate that job. And I think it would be insane to just sit back and watch this automation wave overtake our communities and our economy. So we're not ostriches. We can get our heads up out of the sand and say, look, we get it. We're automating away the most common jobs in the economy right now. And imagining that community recovering from their income going from, let's call it $50,000 a year to much, much less than that catastrophically.
The true threats of the 21st century include cybersecurity, artificial intelligence,
and when all this technology comes online, it's going to be a disaster for many, many American communities as the technology marginalizes the labor of more and more Americans. We automated away 4 million manufacturing jobs, and those communities have never recovered. And we need to evolve.
Saying this is a rules problem is ignoring the reality that Americans see around us every single day.
We need artificial intelligence.